Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 12th of March. The euro dropped to 130.15 against the US dollar after first rising above its previous resistance of 130.50. The single currency is still under pressure as the continent's political background remains fluid. The Italian political system has yet to choose a leader after the ambiguous election results that left the country and Europe in uncertainty. All eyes are on tomorrow's European summit, in which the Cyprus bailout is expected to be put on the table. A swift resolution to that could help boost confidence in the euro further. The GER30, which tracks the top 30 German corporations, is moving above 7990, looking to test its previous resistance at 80.15. German equities have shown the highest gains. The domestic export surge gave way to increased corporate profits. Gold's bracket now has moved with higher highs and higher lows as the market stabilised the precious metal at around 1580. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar dropped from 8.75 to 7.90 as markets calmed down after last week's non-farm payroll and European Central Bank press conference. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.85. The dollar-yen pivot points at 95.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 95.95. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.55. The sterling dollar pivot points at 149.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 149.60. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.80. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 90.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.80. The gold pivot points at 1587 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1587. The silver pivot point at 29.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 29.10. The US 500 is at 1530 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1530. And the UK 100 is at 6450 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6450. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 9:30 GMT in the UK, we have the manufacturing production month-on-month expected at 0%. Also in the UK at 9:30 GMT, we have the trade balance expected with a trade deficit of minus 8.8 billion. And at 11:30 GMT in the US, we have the federal budget balance forecast to have a deficit of 200 billion. And our interesting pair today is the US dollar Canadian dollar. The US dollar moved higher versus the Canadian dollar, touching 102.70 as some of the dollar's losses are corrected from previous lows. The trend for the pair looks downward, however, any upside could be seen with caution. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.